Nothing has absolutely been cooking lately. Nothing Headphone A is another fresh out of their kitchen. An IP52 rated wireless headset featuring transparent ear shells and 40mm titanium coated drivers that deliver high res audio. They provide up to 135 hours of playback on a single charge and includes AI powered active noise cancellation or ANC, capable of reducing background noise up to 40 decibels. They're cheaper than Nothing Headphone 1 and available in 4 different colors. I received them in white, which is perfect as they match my Nothing Phone 4a quite well. The packaging is reminiscent of the Headphone 1 unboxing. While these are more affordable at $199, the packaging still feels premium. We're huge Nothing fans in our house. My son and I love our Headphone 1s, so I'm incredibly excited to unbox these and dive right in. Right away, I can tell you these feel a whole lot lighter than Headphone 1s. These are incredibly light, really, out of the box. We'll get more into that here shortly. In the box, the first thing you're greeted with aside from the headphones is a carrying pouch. It's not going to be a premium hardshell case like Headphone 1, but something you can easily toss the headphones into when on the go. And while I'm not sure anybody actually reads it, you do get the typical reading material included as well, then a 3.5mm audio cable and a USB-C cable for charging and USB-C audio. There's quite the design synergy between Headphone 1 and Headphone A, which is great. You're not losing out on Nothing's iconic transparent design while saving some money here. You also get the roller, the customizable button and multifunctional paddle, the power switch USB-C port, and 3.5mm headphone port. These are built to maximize comfort with plush padding beneath the headband as well. It also features specifically shaped memory foam lined ear cups that are designed to provide a great fit. While they feel cheaper and lighter than Headphone 1, Nothing assures that these are exceptionally durable, featuring sliding arms reinforced with glass fiber filled nylon and steel hinges crafted with metal injection molding. It is also IP52 rated, as I mentioned, for dust and water resistance and has survived per Nothing 50 rigorous hardware tests, which includes extreme bends, drops, and thousands of button presses. I'll run these through my own rigorous tests for my upcoming full review. While they use more plastic, they feel comfortably light rather than cheap. A welcome shift from the heft of Headphone 1, that's for sure. Enough about the unboxing and design, let's get these powered on and connected. I'll initially connect them to my Nothing Phone 4a here using the Nothing X app, but you can also pair these easily with an iPhone as well. The Nothing X app, available on Android and iOS, provides many options to customize your listening experience, as well as custom 8-band equalizer profiles. Honestly, the X app alone is a huge reason I recommend Nothing audio products to so many people. Okay, with Headphone A now connected, I'm going to go listen to these and I'll provide my initial impressions here in a second. Just know my initial impressions come from 48 hours of consistent use across multiple types of paired devices, using them for music, movies, professional work calls, in multiple environments, even while grocery shopping. And to be fully transparent, much like the design here, I had to run home and grab my Headphone 1 to start doing a comparison immediately because Nothing Headphone A blew me away. Design-wise, there's so many similarities, honestly. They look so similar side by side, but sound-wise, that's where the Headphone A really jumped out at me. Now I'll continue testing for my full review, of course, but dare I say it already? Well, Headphone A sound better than Headphone 1. The first thought I had playing just one song off a playlist was immediately, what wizardry did Nothing do to accomplish this? How are these cheaper than Headphone 1 yet sound so much better on every level? They sound almost personalized, like they were made for how I want to hear my music and audio overall. So far they're comfortable and seem durable. I haven't even used the included pouch in any attempt to try to protect them. Of course, let me know in the comments your thoughts, any specific questions you have on Nothing's Headphone A for my full review. Not to dive too deep or spoil anything, but so far I am really enjoying what I'm hearing already. Of course, back to the testing for me. In the meantime, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.